Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the outdated client error for Minecraft Pocket Edition. And I'm going to be showing you guys for both the Pocket Edition versions, the paid version which you have bought from the Play Store, and also the APK version, which is the free version that most of you guys probably have. And yeah, so let's begin. So firstly, we're going to start off with the paid version, and what you're going to do is head into the Play Store. And once you're over here on the Play Store, what you need to do is go ahead and search for Minecraft, and then you should get an update over here when you're in the Minecraft tab. If you do not get an update, just wait for around like 5 to 10 minutes and you should get an update. The latest version currently is 1.16.201, and so if you have bought Minecraft from the Play Store, which is the licensed version, you should get an update soon, and then you can go ahead and play on servers as well as ramps and do all of that good stuff. And now, so this is the fix for the paid version. And now coming to the APK version, all you have to do is open up your favorite web browser and I'll catch you guys over there. And now that you're over here, what you need to do is click on the link in the description. But before you do that, make sure to delete your Minecraft. Since you have the APK, just go ahead and delete it. Delete that Minecraft, do not worry. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on the link in the description. And yeah, so this is the site that it's going to take you to Minecraft 1.16.210. So basically all you have to do is scroll down till you see go to download page. And then over here, you'll get multiple versions. What you need to do is go ahead and select APK file final 1.16.200 right over here. I've just shown it. And what you need to do is go ahead and click on it. It's just going to show this and then it's going to automatically start downloading. Just go ahead and close this, and as you guys can see, so it's going to ask you to it's going to ask you if you want to keep this. Just go ahead and click on keep, and then what you need to do is go ahead and install it once it finishes downloading. So do not worry about any other site that you have downloaded it from, because most of the sites right now do not have the latest 1.16.200. Rexdale has it, so just delete your Minecraft and use this. And the best part about it is you can sign into your Xbox account and play in your realm. In fact, my friend X Hydro did just that. With that, we have come to an end in this video. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now, see ya.